So I really can't stop making this salad at the moment. I really love it. We've got potatoes, beetroot, cauliflower, and a fantastic dressing with a few other little bits. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is potatoes, beetroot, and cauliflower, which are all cooked. Roughly equal amounts. It's about 3 cups. It's actually a bit less of the cauliflower, but about 3 cups roughly. 1 cup of bell peppers, just under a cup of walnuts, and then a tablespoon of fresh dill. So you're going to need a large mixing bowl. In there I've got my potatoes and the beetroot. Let's add the cauliflower, the bell peppers, give it a nice bit of sweetness, some walnuts, and some fresh dill. You could use a different herb if you want, but I think dill's really nice in this one. Going to give that a mix, then we're back. So we've got 1 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, that's a balsamic vinegar, which I think is really nice, and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And there we've got 1 tablespoon of mustard, that's a coarse grain mustard, which I think works really lovely in this. Very simply, little mix. Olive oil's in, there's the balsamic, there's the lemon juice, there's the mustard. If you want, you could drop a little bit of garlic into this. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. Give that a mix. Job done. We're going to pour that over our salad. Beautiful. Job done. Really fantastic. So easy, so delicious. I love this one at the moment. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.